So should I make repairs before listing my home? Hey there, I'm Brett Johnson, Associate Broker with Realty Network Group. And recently I've had a couple sellers ask me, should I make repairs before I list the home? Well, the short answer is, yeah, you should. While we're still in a seller's market, the truth is there are not as many buyers as there were during the peak just a few years ago. The good news is, though, that buyers are still looking to purchase a home in this environment because they are very serious about moving. However, due to higher interest rates, the higher prices, your property may need to be in better condition in order to stand out. So that's why today I want to share with you 3 things that you can do to get your home in perfect market condition before you actually sell. So the first thing we want to do is actually meet with your agent before you list and go over which repairs are really worth it. Not every fix is worth your hard-earned money. So invest in repairs that will improve your home's condition and actually net you a higher return on your investment. It may be worth it to pay for a pre-inspection before you list as well. This way, you can find out exactly what might turn buyers away and fix it before you hit the open market. So most repairs fall into one of 2 categories. You have cosmetic repairs or maintenance repairs. Cosmetic repairs are usually optional and won't necessarily be a sticking point during negotiations. However, they can net you a higher return on your investment. Now, high maintenance repairs take longer and typically require a larger investment, but they often fix major issues that may need to be addressed if you want to have good offers from your buyer. So a good strategy likely involves doing some of each, but definitely work with your real estate agent to find a balance that fits your needs. So the condition of your home is most important, and it's going to be the factor that you can control when selling because it expands your buyer pool. So in today's market, there are fewer buyers due to those interest rates and certainly the higher home prices. However, you can still attract a lot of demand with a property if it's in good condition. If you do the proper repairs, you'll have more offers coming in from better qualified buyers. So work closely with your agent, create a strong marketing strategy, and you may even create a bidding war and actually drive prices up above the price. I always recommend that sellers do repairs before listing, but it's more important in this market than it has been in recent years. If you're wondering which repairs are worth doing, or maybe want to discuss a pre-listing strategy, feel free to give me a call, send me an email. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks again for watching.